Okay, looking here at question 8, II from exercise 5.7 to do with transversals going across parallel lines. And here we're trying to find the value of x, but also explain the reason why we know that to be true, okay? Here we can see that 137 is vertically opposite this angle here. This angle is HFA, okay? And so we can represent that here by saying 137 is vertically opposite the angle HFA, okay? So once we have this as being 137, we can then work out the co-interior angle, okay? So this is then gives us the co-interior angle, which we show here 180 take away 37, and that gives us 43. So that gives us 43 up here now as a co-interior angle with the 137 we found from here. And then we can state that that 43 is then vertically opposite the x, which gives us the value of x. Okay, here we're looking at question 8a IV from exercise 5.7. Okay, again, we have two parallel lines, a transversal going across this way, and a line popping out here with two z's in it, okay? So which tells us that both of the values here must be equal. So what we can look here is we can find that in this co-interior here of BHJC, this co-interior, that 180 take away 80 is going to leave 100 here, okay? And so we can write that as being the co-interior of BHJC, which is BHJC, is, and here we show the working, 180 take away 80, is going to be 100 degrees. So now we know that this angle here is going to be 100, and so then we can say that that's vertically opposite these ones here, and so that means that 100 is vertically opposite 2z. So if 2z equals 100, therefore, and these three dots like this in a little triangle shape means therefore, z equals 50, because 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay, so looking here at question 12a from exercise 5.7, here we have that diagram of our gate. So these lines going up here are parallel to one another, and these ones going across here are parallel to one another as well, okay? And what we can deduce for this is that this angle here is alternate to this angle here. So if we just consider these two uprights and this one transversal, this angle here, 40, is alternate to the angle up here, 40. Now I've marked that one as x on my diagram to show the actual angle. So with this, what we can then look at is if we look at this as being a right angle in here, okay? So then if we add our own little transversal line through here, we can see that this x here of 40 is going to be alternate to this side here and be 40. And then the remainder of this side here will be 90. So this will end up, this A will end up becoming 40 plus 90 to equal 130 degrees as being equal to A. So A will equal 130 degrees, okay? And then the reason being 40 is alternate to the top X, okay? And then X plus the right angle, let's put H, okay, equals 40 plus 90 equals 130 degrees. And now question 12b, okay, so we have our two parallel lines and our transversal going across. In this case, we're given the angle here as being 50 degrees. So the A here is also going to be 50 because it is alternate to that 50 that is there.